Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to walk you through how to leave a Discord server on mobile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end because this is very easy to do. And if you follow the same steps that I am about to show you, you can do this for yourself as well. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Discord mobile app over here. And then tap on these three lines at the top left side of the screen. And then tap on any server that you want to leave from this server list. And then tap on these three dots right next to the server name. And then scroll down. And as you can see, you have the option to leave the server. So go ahead and tap on Leave Server, and then tap on this. And now you have successfully left that Discord server. And that server is no longer visible on the list of servers over here. So it's as easy as that to leave a Discord server. If you have any questions about this tutorial, please let me know in the comments below. If not, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.